On this date, my husband Bobby and I visited Well Done cooking classes for what was sure to be a very spicy date. Check it out. Of the over 80 classes to choose from, we chose Flavors of India, a culinary adventure for two. Chef Michelle Morris and her husband Daryl bought Well Done cooking classes in the fall of 2018, and her sass, confidence, and hunger for growth has turned her passion for entertaining small and intimate groups into a unique business model. This is a cuisine neither one of us has any clue how to cook, so it was nice to start off on equal footing. I'm not gonna lie, love that it's BYOB and there's no corkage fee. Owner Chef Michelle also owns a catering business, but don't worry, the pros do all of the cooking. We needed to stay focused in order to follow the recipes, but of course we had to add a little romance, so giving each other tastes and playful touches was a must on this type of date. Taking a complex cooking class as a couple might seem a little intimidating at first, but let me tell you, it's such a rewarding experience. When you work together to tackle a new recipe, you're not just learning cooking skills, you're strengthening your connection. Every step, exploring the ingredients, following instructions, even recovering from little mishaps, teaches teamwork and communication. Plus, it's fun. Laughing over spilled flour or using the wrong cooking utensil reminds you that it's not about perfection, it's about the memories you make along the way. So if you're looking for a unique date night idea, try a cooking class. Who knows, you might discover a new favorite dish and even more reasons to love each other. And when you finally get to enjoy the meal you created together, it feels like a delicious celebration of your partnership. Okay, honey, would we do this type of date night again? On three, thumbs up, thumbs down. Ready? One, two, three. Yeah! Love you. Mwah. We want to try your favorite date ideas. Send them to Dr. Viviana on Instagram.